everyone, this is Sandy. Today I would like to show you our kf94 mask machine connect with packaging system. So the total speed is 90 to 110 pieces per minute. The whole machine adopts 10 pieces of servo motors and 4 pieces of ultrasonics. First of all, I would like to show you our finished mask sample as usual. So we can see here is the finished sample with a package. And we can see here, this area is our customer logo. And the ear loop we can see is an ear loop. So let's take a look at our wearing effect. So that's all for the mask introduction. Next we will go to our mask machine with packaging system introduction. We can take a look at our machine appearance from the whole. And this is the UV light sterilization. Here is our material rack. We put 4 layers here. And this is the nose pin rack. If customer wants to 5 or 6 layers, we can add 1 more rack here. This rack uses a manual air shaft. It managed to make sure the material will stay in certain position. And we can see here have some clear numbers. And if we turn this way, then this can move. And if we turn like this, it will be locked. And here are our fabric collector. It managed to adjust to avoid the fabric will go to left and to right. Here we use just 4 pieces. It's 5 layers, that means we have to use 5 pieces. This is our nose pin part area. The nose pin will install from here and here. And this is the nose pin cutter. The fabric will go 2 layers go below and 2 layers go from the top. And the nose pin will insert from the middle here. And this is our embossing part, which means you can print the lines patterns on the fabric. And here is the first mask mold. And this is the cutter. It's meant to cut the exercise edge of the whole fabric. You can see here, it cutted the fabric in shape like this. And this mask mold uses an ultrasonic with 20K 2600 watt. The black here is a gate roller. This is the waste connection. And this is the folding part. It managed to fold the fabric in half. We can see here fold a bit and here fold a bit. It will be like this shape. And next we will go to our second printing area. The yellow is the gate roller, and this is the mask mold. It's meant to print the outer patterns of the mask. We can see it's meant to print this triangle part. We can see, and the line as well. This line, triangle print patterns and outer line. So this mask mold It uses ultrasonic with 15K 2600 watts. Yellow one is jet roller. And this is our mass body cutter. It's meant to cut it like this. And here, and also it will cut the excess edge. We can see here it have extra fabric, so you will cut off the extra fabric. And this is the second waist connection part. Here, this part is mainly to deliver the mass body to the yellow welding station. And this hole is our yellow welding station. It adopts 8 pieces of changeable motors. Let's check in detail. We can see there have one is mainly to stretch the yellow. And here, these 2 clips uses 2 more, and that side is the same. It's mainly to drive the clip, turn left and turn right. So this motor is mainly to drive these 4 small clip motors up and down to this area, then up and down. And this motor is mainly to drive the welding head, which is this part, up and down. So total here I have 7 pieces, and one more is below the part to drive the hole. And here is our yellow length adjustment part. If you want to make the length longer, you can adjust this part, this silicone part. This is our touch screen. You can see it supports Chinese and English, in Korean, and as well as Turkish language. Okay. And here is a sun. It will indicate the button's function. And here one more. This is the yellow hot pressing device. It's meant to make the yellow can fold it inside. Let's take a which is mainly to make sure the yellow can be folded like this. It will not like this one. We can see is outer. You can see it go out, and it will not. That's why I use this device is mainly for easy packing. So this is the mask body. This is the finished mask, mainly to put down the finished mask down. And we can see here the hole is our packaging system. The mask will be delivered to here, and we can see here with purple color or blue color light is our UV sterilization lights. It can, and the mask will be transported, to here. Then we'll put into packing. And this part can go up. This cover is made to protect this part due to here is very high temperature. Okay, drop down. And here we can see the finished sample mask can take from here. And here is the cutter of the package. And that's all for the kf94 connect with packing system introduction.